First, I would like to show you our aluminum roller screen door, single door. And we have two models here in our sample room. One is with hooked closing mechanism. You see here in the side rail there is a hook, and on the panel handle rail works like this. And the mesh are made of fiberglass. When you don't use the screen, the mesh can roll back to the cassette. Inside the cassette, it is spring-loaded. Up rail, down rail, and side rail. Let's move on to the magnetic closing mechanism. On the side rail and the handle rail is installed with a full piece of magnetic strips in pairs, and it is closed by the powerful magnetic power, like this. The cassette and the fiberglass mesh and up rail, down rail are the same.